Today we will share with you our experience to speed up Windows 10 work and startup. First, discard temporary files created on the system. As we know, Windows create a lot of temporary files which require to smooth the running of programs. But these files after some time reduce Windows speed. We need to clear temp files from time to time. Following steps help us to find and delete them. %temp% command. To access the Windows temporary folder, we need to press the Windows key +R and write %temp%. This opens a folder that contains temporary files of Windows. We select all files and delete them permanently. Some files may not be deleted, as these files for currently running programs. Now Windows System Temp folder, hit Windows key +R and type temp again, Ctrl+A and delete them all. Once they did not delete, hit try again. No problem, this means files belong to currently running system apps. Prefetch. This command opens a folder with apps shortcuts that create a shortcut for all programs. Microsoft says this folder no need to delete it, but most of these files for rarely used programs, so this refreshes your system from time to time and does not negatively affect your PC performance at all. msconfig. To execute this command, we need to hit the Windows key on the keyboard +R and type msconfig. This opens a new window. Move to the Services tab and hit on Hiding Microsoft Services. Now we can see all programs running when Windows launch. There are a lot of non-necessary programs to run with Windows, such as Adobe Services, Google Services, Mozilla Services, and VirtualBox systems. All these services can be stopped to speed up Windows. After applying these changes, restart Windows to take effect on PC. msconfig again. Here we move to the Startup tab. This tab shows us all running programs with a Windows, such as Xbox app, Wondershare Studio, Adobe Creative Cloud, and additional programs. All these programs can be found on the taskbar here, which can be disabled from running when Windows start to speed up Windows starting time. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful hints and tips.